the growth and expansion of the Roman Empire. At its height, around 21% of the world's population lived in the Roman Empire, but the empire itself had very humble beginnings. In the 8th century BC, Rome was just a small village on the Italian peninsula. Nevertheless, its people and army had become strong. They expanded north and south to take control of the whole of the Italian peninsula. The Romans knew that they could become very wealthy if they had access to lots of the world's natural resources. After all, this is what the Greeks had done. Not everything could be grown, mined or produced on the Italian peninsula, so they set their sights on expanding their empire and improving trade links. The more land, resources, people and ports they controlled, the stronger their empire would be. The Mediterranean. Their main rival in the Mediterranean was Carthage, a city at the tip of North Africa. In 146 BC, the Romans defeated the Carthaginians and took control of land in Spain, Greece, Syria, Macedonia, and large parts of North Africa, including Egypt. It was decided that these territories should be divided into provinces, each with their own Roman military governor. Julius Caesar. Under the military leadership of Julius Caesar, Roman territory continued to expand. Hungry for control, Caesar seized power in 49 BC. This didn't end well. He was assassinated in 44 BC, and Rome finally transitioned from a republic into an empire. The first Roman emperor was Augustus. He continued the work begun by Caesar, moving the Roman army into Germania and Britain. Roman Britain. England was conquered in AD 43. Wales also became part of the empire, though Roman rule there was less successful. Scotland, on the other hand, remained fiercely independent. In AD 122, Hadrian's Wall was built as a boundary between the Roman Empire and the hostile northern enemies beyond. The wall marked the northernmost part of the Roman Empire. Emperor Trajan. The Roman Empire was largest under the rule of Emperor Trajan, who ruled from AD 98 to 117. He conquered Dacia in Eastern Europe and was also successful in conquering parts of Arabia. During his rule, the Romans defeated the Parthians and won Armenia, Mesopotamia, and Babylon. An empire in decline. Roman writers dreamed of conquering India. However, this was not to be. Not long after the death of Emperor Trajan, the Roman Empire began to decline. In AD 476, the western half of the empire, including Rome itself, fell. Although the eastern half of the empire continued for a further 1,000 years, the Roman Empire was never the same again.